cities to shoot a couple of my guns. So if you don't know this, I have an AR and a pistol. It's an AR-47, I believe, and then the pistol is a Glock 19. So I'll be taking you guys out with me. This is the new bed right here. Set it up yesterday. Just a quick little rewind so you can see that. This is taking way too long. So what I brought the toolbox. Well, something that's a little bit faster when screwing it, so I'm not spending 20 years. We're gonna use this, and how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna use this one. Hopefully it works. I have no idea, so let's try it out and see. Screw it. Ooh. Let's go! Come on, man! Come on, man! Hey! I found one that's 5 corners, and this one's perfect. Now we're about to actually cruise through this instead of me using this and crank, turn, take out, crank. Like, bro, this is too much work. Work smarter, not harder. Get to work like back in the old days. Guys, we are finally done. But yeah, that was basically it from start to finish. It took us a little bit of time, but we were able to get it done. And not being able to do it with a healing arm is kind of hard. So yeah, we're able to get that done. But take you guys out with me today. The bed, super comfortable. Have a lot of stuff to set up, and I'm actually excited. I haven't been to cities in a very long time. I don't like going to the cities low key, because it's a little bit, hectic. If I go out there, I spend too much money, so I try to stay away from the cities. But today will be fun. Get the experience with the guys, and I'll take you guys out with me. So yeah, peace out. Bella Ward. Wagwan. That's the myth, the legend right there.
Yes, sir.
Big man thing.
Ice, man.
Bro, this is my favorite part about the car, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, the front, right?
Yeah, the front storage. Is that Amar's in there? Got that boy more, man.
Huh?
She gotta say.
Oh, there's a camera?
Yeah,
it's a gimbal pro.
my guy, you match it with the car, man. Shoes blue,
This
sweater.
man's being studious. Wagwan.
What's up, man? What's up,
my
man?
guy? What you working on?
Coding.
Coding?
And some, yeah.
Jeez, that boy's a coder, man. He's always on point. That's good, bro. Out of stuff, charge the Tezzy.
Yes, sir, man. We got like 20 minutes. Probably just wait like what, 5, 6.
I just put gas in it.
Yeah.
What you mean yet? That money I just pulled up. This the original.
Okay.
Original affair sticker, man. That shit crazy.
I remember you, bro. I don't know if you remember me.
I do remember you.
What's your name? I don't remember.
Notice they don't have no handicap.
Whatever, bro. I'm Jordan, by the way. What up, bro?
I'm about to go shoot some real big man things. You don't know. He's a real bad man. Put the price.
But I don't have any interest in selling.
So basically, everybody's like filling out paperwork,
So
and then when they're done, we're gonna get the lanes and then go in to shoot and everything. So it's gonna be exciting. Yes, sir. I know where you live, but the way you look, I don't even think I'm gonna rob you, bro.
Laugh out loud. What you talking about?
Covers some ammo.
I don't even know what ammo I have, bro. 9mm, probably 3.
You want 3, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. The world is so small till it ain't. Yeah, I'm building up a wall till it break. She hate it when I call and it's late.
This man better bring the car to him, and there's nobody in it. Nobody's in that. Come on in, chauffeur. Look, nobody's in there. That's crazy. Yeah, so we had a great day today. About to head out to Texas Roadhouse and then go get some good eats.
what?
Your
It was
shooting
good.
experience?
It was good. I think I was emotional target.
Pretty good.
Yo,
Okay. How would you rate it on a scale from 1 to 10?
First time, I'd say 7.5.
7.5.
9.5.
9.5. Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
9.5?
No, his day. His day.
my day. None of
But
the
he
shooting
did
skills.
the AR the first time.
The
he
first
hit
time?
all red.
Yeah.
He hit all red the first
Okay,
time.
okay.
So yeah, Texas Roadhouse.